We are taught to perceive reality as a solid external structure, a world existing out there, separate from us, defined by borders and distances. This sense of separation is the bedrock of our experience, shaping everything from our memories to our societal structures. But what if this separation is merely an illusion? What if what we experience is not an independent entity, but simply a surface layer masking a deeper, unified order beneath? To look beyond the tangible world requires us to confront a profound paradox: the feeling of being entirely alone in existence versus the undeniable evidence that everything is fundamentally interconnected. When we begin to question the foundation of this perceived reality, we are led to explore radical ideas, such as the simulation hypothesis. This thought experiment challenges our fundamental assumptions, prompting us to ask whether our physical world is truly the ultimate truth, or merely a meticulously crafted experience designed for us. If reality itself can be simulated, what does that imply about the separation between observers and the observed? The question then becomes central. Is the external world truly separate from our inner consciousness, or are we living within a unified field where all apparent boundaries dissolve? To awaken is to begin the journey of dismantling this illusion, to discover that the reality we inhabit is not a prison of isolation, but a manifestation of something far stranger, something profoundly interconnected. If reality is truly separate, how do we account for the profound connections that exist outside the boundaries of classical physics? The answer lies in the strange mechanics of the quantum world, where particles can share a bond regardless of the distance separating them. This phenomenon, known as entanglement, demonstrates an unbreakable link across vast expanses of space, suggesting that separation is an illusion at the deepest level of existence. Two particles once entangled remain instantaneously connected. Measuring the state of one particle instantly informs the state of the other, bypassing the very concepts of time and distance we experience in our daily lives. But what guides this connection? Theorists like David Bohm proposed a deeper mechanism, the pilot wave. This concept suggests that reality is not defined by fixed locations, but by an underlying field, an invisible matrix that acts as the guide for all matter. This pilot wave moves through space and time, influencing every particle in its path, creating a unified tapestry where everything is interdependent. This quantum connection reveals a mechanism that transcends classical boundaries. It implies that our perceived separation is superficial, a limitation of our sensory experience, not an actual division of existence. The particles are not isolated entities moving through empty space. They are woven into a single, non-local reality, guided by a unifying field. This understanding opens the door to realizing that the structures we perceive externally are merely echoes of this profound, interconnected unity dwelling within. We must now move beyond the science of separation and explore the deeper architecture of existence. David Bohm proposes a profound distinction between two orders of reality that govern our experience. We live within the explicit order, the world we perceive directly, the physical landscape of matter, space, and time. This is the tangible realm, the objects we touch, the rules we observe, the boundaries we define by sight and touch. It is the surface, the manifest layer, that we experience as solid and separate from one another. But beneath this visible structure lies the implied order. This is the unified, invisible field of pure potential, the interconnected matrix where all things coexist without division or distinction. The implied order is not separate. It is the underlying consciousness, the source from which the explicit order emerges. The crucial factor separating these two realities is the mechanism of perception and thought. Our consciousness filters this infinite implied order, imposing limits and distinctions upon it to create the perceived separation we inhabit. Every thought, every perception, acts as a filter, carving out the boundaries of the visible world from the boundless reality within. To understand spiritual awakening is to realize that the separation we feel is not an inherent law of physics, but a functional manifestation created by our limited perspective. True understanding requires stepping back from the explicit surface to perceive the unifying field of the implied order. The universe is not found out there, in some distant space separate from us. The notion of outside is merely the visible surface layer of an internal field, a boundless field of consciousness that encompasses everything. When we perceive objects, boundaries, and separation, we are observing only the explicit manifestation of this deeper, unified reality, much like a ripple appearing on the surface of water. Challenging the notion of external objects forces us to question the very structure of experience. If there is no true outside, then what we call matter and space are not foundational entities, but rather patterns created by an inner awareness. This internal field is the single source from which all perceived reality flows. Everything that exists external to us is simply the way this consciousness organizes itself into distinct forms for our limited sensory experience. The quantum unity revealed in earlier chapters is not just a physical law, it is the echo of this underlying unity within the self. When we connect with this awareness, the separation between the observer and the observed dissolves entirely. The boundaries we feel are not barriers to existence, but limits imposed by focused perception. To understand this field is to realize that the true reality is not a collection of separate things floating in space, but an infinite sea of interconnected awareness from which all experience springs. This shift in perspective opens the door to a profound understanding of our place within the grand design of existence. The deepest truths of existence are not found in external observation, but in an inner recognition. When we fully grasp that the universe is a unified field, and that our consciousness is the very medium through which reality manifests, the boundaries we once held become illusions. This realization shifts everything. It reveals that the fundamental knowledge of our interconnectedness has been deliberately obscured by the layers of unconscious thought. We are not merely observers looking at a separate stage, but active participants within the grand architecture of being. This is the moment of spiritual awakening, the profound shift from viewing the world as a collection of discrete objects to perceiving it as a singular living reality woven by shared consciousness. The search for answers long detailed in ancient texts and veiled within biblical mystery was never meant to be solved through mere intellect alone. It demands a surrender of the ego's resistance to unity. To embrace this understanding is to step out of the constraints of separation and into the boundless potential of true wholeness. It means accepting that the patterns we experience, the deep connections we feel, are not random occurrences, but echoes of an underlying design. By understanding the hidden meaning embedded in the fabric of reality, we unlock a personal liberation. This liberation is not merely intellectual, it is a transformation of the soul, allowing us to experience the ultimate consequence of unity, a state of absolute peace, and knowing that we are intrinsically linked to everything. The true quest is not discovering where we are, but realizing what we already are, infinite, interconnected, and eternally awake within the divine mystery of existence.